A. Successful weight loss diet starts from the inside. You've probably bought into the propaganda that says you've failed at dieting. A different, and more accurate, way of looking at it is that the weight loss diet has failed you. If you're like most women, you've been on a million weight loss diets, from Weight Watchers and Atkins to South Beach and celeb diets. You voraciously read magazines for their weight loss tips and gravitate toward the headlines that promise you can lose weight fast. The chances are good that you have, indeed, lost weight on many of these diets, but the chances are even better that you've gained it all back, plus some. Your skinny jeans become your tight jeans, and then they get tucked in the back of your closet, along with your fantasies of becoming a size 0. Weight loss diet failure. You've probably bought into the propaganda that says you've failed at dieting. A different, and more accurate, way of looking at it is that the weight loss diet has failed you. That's because most diets focus on short-term changes that result in temporary weight loss, but never tackle the underlying factors that make you put on the pounds to begin with. In other words, they focus only on the outside problem, your body, and neglect everything below the surface, your emotions, your intellect, and your relationships. A diet for summer might work for swimsuit season, but if you don't strengthen your foundations before you lose weight, those diesel skinny jeans won't fit when fall rolls around. Turning failure into success. In order to lose weight and keep it off, you need a guide who will lead you on an exploratory journey to discover the power and control that you possess. Then, you need to be taught how to harness those powers to achieve all that you want in life, including fitting into your skinny jeans. You may have been told, either verbally or through insidious advertisements, that if you don't have power over your eating, you have no power at all. Nothing could be further from the truth. Every woman is magnificent, and every woman has mental powers, emotional powers, social powers and physical powers just waiting to be tapped. When you heal your past wounds, and recognize and reinforce the power within you, you have laid the foundation for permanent weight loss. Practical and fun. If a weight loss diet is a drag, you'll never succeed in reaching your goals. On the other hand, if you have an empowering program to follow that is also practical and fun, you hold the keys to success. In fact, you can even drop a whole size in 2 weeks. The secret, if you want to call it that, is to adopt a well-tested exercise program that can instantly fit into your lifestyle. Remember, the success lies in simplicity, clarity, and practicality. Then, you need to adopt an eating plan that works synergistically with your exercise plan to build on the foundation of the inner work you have done in order to embrace your personal power. Remember that, with the right guide, you can do more than go on yet another weight loss diet. You can truly win in all areas of your life and achieve an outer beauty that matches your inner beauty.